Specialized harvesters work around the clock to ensure a steady supply of high-starch potatoes for the production line. The potatoes are washed, peeled, and sliced before frying. Finally, the chips are stacked and packaged. Every harvest is carefully timed to capture the ideal moisture content required for the perfect chip texture. Initial field inspections guarantee that only the finest raw materials make it to the processing facility. Logistics and timing are critical to prevent the potatoes from bruising during their journey to the factory. Precise tracking starts at the source, linking every field to the final canister produced in the plant. The raw crop arrives at the refinery, where nature's harvest meets the pinnacle of modern food engineering. Automated unloading systems allow for the rapid intake of hundreds of tons of potatoes per hour. Water flumes serve a dual purpose, gently transporting the potatoes while initiating the first cleaning stage. Leaving the fields behind, the potatoes enter the controlled environment of the modern production line. Vertical transport systems move the raw crop to the upper levels of the facility for gravity-fed processing. High-speed conveyors bridge the distance between the intake gantry and the primary cleaning stations. Magnetic filtration ensures that no field debris or metallic contaminants enter the sensitive slicing machinery. Mechanical sorting removes field stones and debris that are the same size as the potatoes themselves. Precision vibration uses physics to separate organic material from high-density impurities. Density-based separation provides a fail-safe method for ensuring 100% purity of the incoming crop. A final freshwater rinse prepares the potatoes for the intensive peeling and grinding phase. Regular mechanical audits ensure that the transport systems operate at peak efficiency without downtime. Auger transport provides a gentle but powerful movement, preventing bruising during the vertical climb. Buffering the potatoes in holding bins ensures a continuous, uninterrupted flow for the main transformation stages. The refinery stands as a fortress of food science, designed to process thousands of tons of raw crop into precision-engineered snacks. Controlled access ensures that only authorized technicians enter the high sanitation zones of the production floor. Maintaining a germ-free environment is the first line of defense in a modern, large-scale food manufacturing facility. Every employee follows a strict sanitization protocol to eliminate the risk of external contaminants entering the line. This pressurized chamber acts as a final filter, ensuring the production zone remains a pristine environment. The factory interior is a sophisticated network of heat, pressure, and automated logic gates. Centralized monitoring allows for micro-adjustments to the processing speed based on the quality of the incoming harvest. The entry phase concludes as the raw potatoes are subjected to the intense heat and pressure of the peeling stage. Human vigilance at the entry point prevents thermal fluctuations that could affect the starch consistency of the potatoes. Under extreme pressure, the outer skins are vaporized, leaving the pure heart of the potato ready for transformation. Initial cleaning removes the exterior waste, revealing the high-starch core of the potato. High-pressure washing ensures a pristine surface, critical for the consistent color of the final chip. Advanced optical sorting occurs in milliseconds, rejecting any material that doesn't meet the color specification. Precise sizing is the secret to the uniform shape that makes the stackable chip possible. Thermal conditioning prepares the internal cells of the potato for the high-speed mechanical transformation. Human quality checks confirm the mechanical sorting success before the potatoes reach the core processing stage. Unlike traditional chips, the process begins by creating a uniform potato mash to ensure a consistent base. Controlling the starch-to-fiber ratio is the key to achieving the signature snap of the final product. Scientific verification at the sorting stage guarantees the consistency of the raw potato base. Cleaned, sorted, and homogenized, the potato base is now ready for its transformation into a dry, workable dough. Core processing begins with dehydration, transforming the liquid potato base into a continuous, paper-thin dry sheet. Shattering the sheet into flakes allows for a more consistent mix when combined with other dry ingredients. Achieving the perfect blend of potato, corn, and rice flour is the secret to the unique texture of the dough. Controlled hydration is critical to ensure the dough is pliable enough to be pressed without being sticky. Extreme pressure from the sheeting rollers creates the structural foundation for the uniform shape of the chips. Precision cutting ensures that every single chip is exactly the same size and weight before it reaches the fryer. This unique molding process gives the chips their signature hyperbolic paraboloid shape, designed for strength and stacking. Micro adjustments to dough thickness ensure that the chips cook evenly and fit perfectly in the canister. Rapid frying locks in the shape and creates the light, crispy texture that is synonymous with the brand. Efficient oil removal is the final step in the core process, ensuring a crisp finish without a greasy residue. Main transformation begins with alignment, ensuring every chip is positioned to receive an even coating of flavor. Electrostatic seasoning uses a mild electrical charge to wrap the flavor powder around the entire chip for a consistent taste. Manual sampling at the seasoning stage provides an immediate visual check for flavor coverage and chip integrity. Rapid cooling prevents the residual heat from overcooking the delicate edges, preserving the perfect golden color. Final grading ensures that only whole, perfectly curved chips move forward to the stacking station. Precise mechanical alignment is the key to creating the dense, space-saving stacks that define the brand. Automated stacking uses gravity and timing to nestle each chip perfectly into the one below it. Height verification ensures that every canister contains the exact number of chips promised on the label. Optical counting provides a final audit, ensuring the high-speed line is operating with 100% numerical accuracy. The transformation is complete. The raw potato mash has been turned into seasoned, stacked chips ready for the canister. High-speed robotics initiate the packaging cycle, handling thousands of units per hour with surgical precision. Gravity-fed precision ensures every container is filled to the exact legal weight before the foil seal is applied. Advanced HMI systems allow operators to manage the entire automation ecosystem with real-time digital accuracy. Mechanical nitrogen flushing is critical to ensure a long shelf life and to preserve the delicate seasoning of the chips. Automated heat sealing locks in the crispness of the chips, creating a durable barrier against moisture and air. Final vacuum detection provides a fail-safe layer, guaranteeing the product's freshness for the consumer. Applying the secondary plastic cap ensures the product remains resealable for the end user after the foil is removed. High-speed laser coating gives every canister its digital identity, tracked from the factory floor to the store shelf. Robotic case packing creates perfectly organized units, maximizing shipping efficiency and protecting the fragile contents. Automation has turned fragile chips into a protected, shippable asset, ready for the final finishing touches. Finishing begins with mass verification to ensure every case contains the exact count of canisters required. Precision sealing creates a structural bond that protects the internal canisters from shifting during warehouse transit. Clear external labeling is essential for inventory management and ensuring the correct flavor reaches the regional distribution centers. Compression ensures that the chips within the canisters remain stable, minimizing breakage during long-distance hauling. Laser-coated cases provide permanent, smudge-proof records for total product traceability from factory to shelf. Master palletizing links every individual canister to a single, scannable digital manifest for global logistics. Heavy-duty strapping provides the mechanical stability required for loading into high-density industrial storage racks. Digital ID tags allow for smart warehouse management, ensuring the oldest batches are shipped first to maximize freshness. Human verification remains the final gatekeeper, ensuring the precision of the automated finishing lines before storage. The finishing line is complete. The stackable chips are now staged for their final, rigorous scientific evaluation. Quality control begins with rigorous mass verification to ensure sample consistency for all chemical and texture assays. Maintaining ultra-low moisture is critical to ensure the chips remain crisp and have the signature shelf-stable snap. Texture analysis quantifies the crunch factor, guaranteeing that every chip delivers a consistent sensory experience. Texture analysis quantifies the crunch factor, ensuring every Pringles chip delivers a consistent, satisfying bite. Advanced chromatography scans the chips at a molecular level to confirm the flavor balance is within 0.1% of the target. Optical profiling ensures that every grain of the dough was pressed into the exact aerodynamic shape required for stacking. Adding the purple reagent now. Monitoring oil chemistry is vital for maintaining the clean, light taste that prevents the chips from feeling greasy. The sample is clear, fresh, and within spec. Optical color purity is the visual hallmark of the factory's superior frying and seasoning process. Durability testing provides the final layer of defense in the factory's commitment to delivering a whole chip product. Final batch approval is the culmination of hours of scientific scrutiny and industrial precision. With the seal of quality secured, the stackable chips are cleared for their final journey into the global market. Precision handling ensures the stabilized pallets remain perfectly upright during the final warehouse move. Specialized shipping containers maintain the chip's dry environment from the factory to the destination. Secure bracing prevents product shift, ensuring the fragile canisters arrive at the retailer in pristine condition. Once sealed, the shipment is a protected asset, ready for transit under constant GPS surveillance. The facility's output powers a global supply chain, delivering high-quality snacks to the world. Final outbound verification completes the factory's internal chain of custody and security protocol. And this is how modern factories produce Pringles potato chips from start to finish.